March 3rd marks the 2-year anniversary of the deadly March 20 tornadoes that tore through Nashville. In this video here, as you're seeing, this shows the moment that major tornado ripped through Germantown. News 2's Chelsea Beimfor shares how Germantown Café is remembering the event by helping others.
Again, we just have a fresh new look, clean look.
Sean Lyons is the general manager of Germantown Café. He gave us a tour of the renovated restaurant on Tuesday, almost 2 years after a tornado decimated the building.
The ceiling was basically crashed down. The floor was destroyed. There was water everywhere.
The deadly storm destroyed parts of East Nashville and Germantown, leaving the doors to the cafe closed for over a year and a half.
Everything was basically brought down to the studs.
Lyons says the kitchen, bar, tables, everything was damaged. Essentially, they had to start from scratch.
It does not feel like 2 years since we have been gone, but when you think back on each detail, it seems like forever.
After about 20 months of rebuilding, Germantown Café reopened their doors in November. To commemorate the 2-year anniversary of the tornado, they're holding a fundraiser on Wednesday to help other people also trying to get back on their feet. 10% of all food and beverage sales will be donated to the Nashville Rescue Mission.
We realized that it took us 2 years to recover our lives, but there's plenty of people that are taking they're trying to recover every single day. And so we thought it'd be nice to provide some support there.
And though they're raising money for others this week, Lyons says Germantown Café is still financially recovering from the tornado. He's encouraging the Nashville community to come out and support them and other businesses that were impacted by the storm.
We're still digging out of that hole. We're still working with insurance, and we still have hundreds of thousands of dollars that we still have to recover. But like I said, the more people that come out and support us, the better we will do. And like I said, they've been amazing so far.
Yeah, support them if you can, because that food looks really good. And tomorrow they're also going to be offering some Nashville strong and tornado-themed cocktails and desserts.
Nice to see the comeback following the carnage.
Yeah, for such a place that's such a community staple that they came back. So thanks that they're doing something for the community as well.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Chelsea.